Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, on my Volvo S60, it's my wife's car. She just said me that there is a problem with the parking sensors, and she got a warning message on the car's dashboard. So I thought to have a check on it, and let's see what's the problem and see how can we just do that. Connect to the OBD scanner into it. So I just click on European, then let's go for the Volvo. Just enter into the Volvo. She said the problem is with the park assist module. So let's just enter into the system. Let me check, is there any fault code? Yeah, this is the issue. Front right inner sensor general failure information. So it means that the part has just gone. This is the new parking sensor which I bought. The part number is 31341 So let's remove the one from the car and try change it, and we'll just check again with the OBD scanner. So let's have a check. So we'll understand is that still the problem persist or not. So let's go change the part and come back. The front our car has 4 sensors. Through the OBD scanner we just find that this is the right inner, that is the right outer, so this is the right inner sensor. So all we need to change this one. So this is there is a small grill, like this is a main grill and there's a small one, so we need to remove it. I learned how to remove it through internet, so let me tell you how to remove it. There are clips on the up sides and in down sides. All you need to press it inside. So just do it gently as it's plastic parts. Let's have a look on that. Don't break anything, just do that. You'll just find here, see, these kind of clamps are there. All you need to push it in. It's just a snug fit thing. Just do that, it will just go. So it just removed now. All you need to do in this way, see here, this is the sensor here. All I need to remove the sensor. So the sensor has just half come out. Let me unplug it from this. Let me put the new sensor. Yeah, now it just fits into the harness, and just keep it in the holder exactly how it was before, how the other sensor was. It is the old one and this is the new one. So it's done. Now we just need to fix back the grill again. So it has totally 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 and up 5 clips. Carefully put the clips back like this, and even up as well. So all you need to just go down and just look all the clips is in the position. Once you see that it's all in a position, just need to pull it. Yes, here even you need to pull it. So this is like a honeycomb design. Through that you can just put your finger inside and pull it. Just you can just hear the sound and it's done. Yeah. Yes, it's done. Our work is not finished. We need to check it through the OBD scanner again. The issue is solved or not. Let's go inside the car and check it again. Now we're back to the car. Keep the ignition on. Now need to start the engine. Again, we need to go to the park assist module. Oh, just say it's just not on because we need to start the car. Because some of the functions like ABS and park assist module and such, some of the systems are not working when the car is on ignition on. So you need to put the engine on. So here, park assistant module. It's not communicating. Read fault code. No DTC set. So it means it's just done. Now we just need to check the car it's working or not. So now we just need to put in the reverse. Let's see if the sonars are working or not. You can just see here it's just working. Let me take the car in front. So it's working well because on the left hand side there is nothing, the right hand side there's a car, so it's just working. So I checked it. This is a way how I just changed my parking sensor on my Volvo S60. Hope you like my video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you soon with a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.